Today I'm presenting a demo for the app called Budget Meal Finder, and this is an effort. The project submission is for the Google Maps platform award for the hackathon that I'm participating in, and I'm going to show the demo. So I created this tool with the use of Gradio and Python with the Google Maps API and Google Gemini API. And with this one, where you select the language, select the initial amount of the budget, the meal type, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack that you're looking for, diet type, any vegan, vegetarian, or non-veg, and the zip code that you want to find a meal in that area. So basically, the tool was created. Let's say you are in unknown city or you are visiting some place with the family, and you want to find a meal in your given budget. Then you want multiple options, and you want to find out like what is there in the area. So you can use this tool to find the nearest restaurant where it can fit your budget and the meal is satisfying, and the one that you're looking for with the diet options. So with that, I'm going to click on generate, and it's going to load the Google Maps with all the available locations in the zip code 95051 area, where I can find all the necessary options where I can do the breakfast. Like hobby is the one option, that one is a for 41 review, and Bascom Avenue is the one other options. There is a restaurant over here, so like that it will find all the available restaurant in that area, and you can select it. Now I can select the option for lunch and select the diet type to vegetarian, click on generate, and it will filter it out the option using the Google Gemini API, which will provide the locations of the spots, and with the Google Maps API, which will actually locate that spot, and it will highlight that location. Like the Good Karma is one of the location, Tofu, Komkyan vegetarian restaurant. So it definitely filter out all the vegetarian spots that we have in this area. So that is the demo where I'm using the Google Gemini API and Google Maps API. Thank you all for joining, and I'm stop the demo. Thank you all.